Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2008 Suzuki C50 Boulevard. This middle-sized cruiser has 35,600 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Got a few scuffs on the front fender here. Front tire looks okay. It's got some weather cracking in it, so it's one of those things I think that really should be replaced before too much riding is done. Highway bars with highway lights. Footboards for the driver. This bike at one time had a windscreen on it. The hardware is still there. Comes with leather saddlebags and a passenger backrest. Rear tire is shot. And again, the leather saddlebags with our passenger backrest. And again, footboards for the driver. This bike also comes with a heel toe shifter. And again, the highway bars with the highway lights. I'm gonna say I see the blue bulb in there. That must be high intensity. We'll see what happens when we turn it on. I guess I didn't pay that close of attention to it. All right. $35,546 is what's on it. Nah, just a standard headlight. Set the camera down here. This 2008 Suzuki C50 Boulevard will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.